In this video, we will learn how to fix PUBG Lite error game client will close as the launcher was forced to exit. So let's begin. So to solve this error of PUBG Lite, this is occurring because your computer is not allowing PUBG Lite to communicate with the internet. For that, just go to your start and type in here for control panel. Here we have control panel, open it. Now click on system and security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. And now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on change settings. Once you are here, scroll down below and search for PUBG Lite. So here we have PUBG Lite, so you can see that. Just go and allow it to private networks as well as the public networks. So click on OK, close it. And now if you have any antivirus, like in my case I have Bitdefender, go and open your antivirus and turn off the firewall for the internet or current scanning firewall. So what you can do is just go and turn off the antivirus for a while when you are playing the PUBG Lite. So in my case it is a protection shield. Just go and turn it off and close it. And now you can just go and open your PUBG Lite and play it. So hope it would help, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.